of the spring. The world is getting green all around, and the love is in the air. The show that I want to watch today will take place on the typical stage set in nature to which I am slowly coming. Oh, lizard. Nice. I finally arrived. Such a small pond is an ideal place for amphibians. It is quite calm and green here. There is water, the sun is warming, the trees give some shadow. Perfect. I like it too, and when the place is so nice, we think about pleasures. I don't have any female of my species here, or competitors, so I will not make a show, but frogs, which live in this pond, have everything what they need. It would seem that the water is empty, but they are there. They are quiet now and they wait for a signal after which it will happen. Okay, it wasn't this signal. I have no idea what it can be, only frogs know it, so we have to wait patiently. Finally, it happened. The single individual has croaked. After him there were more and more of them, and the whole choir resounded. The frogs became significantly more active and their voices come from the whole pond. But they are focused mainly on two sides of the water, like they are creating two gangs that threaten each other. But looking for teams is pointless here and every individual fight for itself. He tries to lure the females so that he can pass the genes to the next generation. Every species has its own characteristic voice. I hear the common water frogs and the pool frogs. The voice of these animals arises during pushing the air from the lungs to the special vocal sacs, resonators. They look like inflatable balloons appearing on the head of an amphibian. The air is not exhaled outside and vocal sacs make the voice stronger. When a female appears next to the male, he will try to catch her. He tries to jump on her and catch her with his front legs in a hug called amplexus. To make the grip stronger and safer, on the fingers of the front legs grow special growths, mating calluses, which improve the grip. If he does it, he will hold the female until she lays the eggs so he can fertilize them. External inseminations occurs here. Sometimes when there is much more males than females in a given place, some of them can jump on one female and it may even end up with her death. Finally, it gets quieter. As suddenly as they started, frogs finished their show. It's quiet again and birds are mostly heard now. I would like to stand up out loud and shout in chorus, but I know that I don't have to do it because it's just a short break. I need just a little patience and everything will start again.